things. Article 14, be a willing participant in code enforcement procedures. So realtors need to be willing to cooperate, in another sense, in enforcement procedures. Specifically, Article 14 says, if charged with unethical practice or asked to present evidence or to cooperate in any way in any professional standards proceedings or investigation, realtors shall place all pertinent facts before the proper tribunals of the member board or affiliated institute, society, or council in which membership is held, and shall take no action to disrupt or obstruct such processes.
So if they're going to be asked to produce documents and records, they're going to have to willingly do it. If they don't, then they're going to be violating this particular article. Realtors shall not, under Standard of Practice 14-1, realtors shall not be subject to disciplinary proceedings in more than one board of realtors or affiliated institute, society, or council in which they hold membership with respect to alleged violations of the Code of Ethics relating to the same transaction.
They only get you once.
Just once.
So even if you're a member of multiple boards, you violate it, they're going to get you at one board. They're not going to be able to retry you at another board.
Correct. And you're going to have to keep all of these issues confidential, because under Standard of Practice 14-2, realtors shall not make any unauthorized disclosure or dissemination of the allegations, the findings, or decisions developed in connection with an ethics hearing or appeal, or in connection with an arbitration hearing or procedural review.
Confidentiality.
Confidentiality here.
Standard of Practice 14-3, realtors shall not obstruct the board's investigative or professional standards proceedings by instituting or threatening to institute actions for libel, slander, or defamation against any party to a professional standards proceeding or their witnesses based on the findings of an arbitration request, an ethics complaint, or testimony given before any tribunal.
Under Standard of Practice 14-4, realtors shall not intentionally impede the board's investigative or disciplinary proceedings by filing multiple ethics complaints based on the same event or transaction.
Article 14 is all about cooperating in the procedure of enforcement and investigation of code violations.
That's right. You've made that commitment under the Code of Ethics, and now if a investigation happens, you have to cooperate.
So we just covered the articles that talked about a realtor's duties to the public. We started out with the realtor's duties to their clients, and then the realtor's duties to the public, and now